With the development of more effective, higher potency drugs, the pharmaceutical industry has become increasingly aware of the safety aspects of handling hazardous powders. The benefits of higher potency drugs are obvious. However, it does mean that smaller amounts of drug compound in the laboratory can put the analyst at greater risk. Many powder handling operations produce airborne contaminants that can have adverse effects on health at very low quantities, often down to nanogram levels. The amount of airborne contamination that can produce these effects is so small that it cannot be seen by the naked eye. Using a specialised technique developed at the UK government's Health and Safety Laboratory, powders can be dyed with a fluorescent dye and viewed under UV light. This technique allows us to see the airborne contaminants that are produced during normal powder handling operations. The weighing operation has been identified as the most obvious source of contamination of potent compounds. During this operation, the analyst is very often in close proximity to the drug, increasing the risk of exposure to these contaminants. Notice the contamination around the analyst's breathing zone. For this reason, it is important to carry out the handling of potent compounds within a contained environment. Currently, the most common environment for powder handling is a fume cupboard that has a recognized containment performance. But there are disadvantages when using a fume hood for sensitive weighing operations. The environment within a fume hood is turbulent due to the way in which the air is extracted, causing a roll effect which will disturb the balance and will also tend to blow light powders off the spatula. The fume hood has been designed for large experiments or synthesis, not close-up bench work. This means that it's not the most comfortable environment in which to work. The unique design of the Flow Sciences vented balance safety enclosure provides many advantages over the standard fume cupboard. It can be bench-mounted or freestanding and is available in various sizes, designed to meet the needs of many different powder handling applications. The ergonomic design of the system allows the operator to work closer to the balance without restriction, and the transparent acrylic body allows the user to see the operation far more easily. In addition, the system can be easily relocated if the mission of the laboratory is redefined. The biggest advantage of this system is the performance, both in containing the hazard and also in allowing sensitive analytical balances to operate without fluctuation. The revolutionary design of the unit allows air to be drawn at a controlled rate from the front of the unit to the back via specially positioned slots that provide a smooth laminar airflow. It is this smooth airflow pattern that allows sensitive balances to operate effectively and also prevent light powders from scattering and contaminating the work area. Molded airfoils on the side doors and base help increase containment and prevent the escape of contaminating materials. A base airfoil also helps maintain containment and ensures that the airflow pattern is not disturbed when in use. The air extraction is provided by a separate fan filtration unit, which remains remote from the enclosure to eliminate vibration. The air is exhausted through a HEPA filter that has a unique, simple, safe change procedure. Solvent filters, acid gas filters, and aldehyde filters are also available to meet various filtration needs. The phase velocity across the front of the unit is maintained constant by the fan filtration unit. As the filter becomes loaded, the fan unit will increase its output to maintain a safe face velocity. Once the filter has become loaded, typically after about 4 years, an airflow alarm on the front of the unit will indicate that the system is no longer safe to use and that the filter needs to be changed. Weighing potent powders in a Flow Sciences system allows the operator to work comfortably and safely. Open bench weighing of potent compounds has been identified as a significant risk to the analyst. Flow Sciences systems have been tested and shown to perform to British and American standards, which identify this system as the safest vented balance safety enclosure available. Flow Sciences. Proven containment to British and American standards. Potent powder protection. Ease of use. Turbulent free. Balance stability. Flexible. Flow Sciences, the solution to your powder handling needs.